Have you ever noticed that the things we can't have are the things we want the most? In psychology, this is called the Law of Scarcity. Most people make the mistake of being too available. They reply instantly, they show up to every event, and they are always there when called. But here is the cold truth. Over-availability breeds contempt. If you are always there, you are common. If you are common, you have no value. Today we are decoding strategic absence, how to disappear at the right time to make your presence feel like a reward. This is how you reclaim your power. Think about gold. If gold was as common as sand, would it be expensive? No. Human psychology works the same way. When you are always available, people assume your time is worth nothing. They stop putting in effort because they know you aren't going anywhere. We call this social saturation. In this section, we discuss the pull back method. When you feel someone is starting to take you for granted, you don't argue with them. You simply become less available. You stop being the first to text. You stop being the one who clears their schedule. Silence speaks louder than any argument. When you suddenly pull back, you create a psychological vacuum in the other person's mind. Their brain hates unanswered questions. They start wondering, where are they? What are they doing? Did I do something wrong? This uncertainty creates a mild form of obsession. This is the invisible blueprint. By being absent, you are actually more present in their mind than when you were standing right in front of them. However, there is a secret. You must use this time to actually improve yourself, not just sit and wait for their call. Strategic absence is only half the battle. The other half is how you return. When you do reappear, you must be better, sharper, and more focused. Don't explain your absence with excuses. Keep it mysterious. When they ask where you've been, a simple, "I've been busy working on some projects," is more powerful than a long explanation. This shows that your world doesn't revolve around them. You have a mission, a blueprint, and an ego that is satisfied by your own progress, not their validation. The world treats you the way you teach it to treat you. If you teach people that your time is cheap, they will spend it recklessly. But if you show them that your presence is a limited resource, they will treat it with respect. Master the art of disappearing. Focus on your grind. Let them miss you. If you're ready to stop being an option and start being a priority, subscribe to the Ego Blueprint. Don't be common, be rare. See you in the next one.